I took my 1990 BMW race car to the autocross track again, but it's blowing a lot of blue smoke out of the exhaust, has a rough idle, and a lot of hesitation when you quickly stab the throttle. So I ordered a smoke tester kit, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the intake out of the way, drill a hole in the spray paint can cap. That way we get a good seal in the intake. Blow our smoke into the engine, but it's coming out from almost everywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to replace that and this, probably a bunch of gaskets, probably that thing there. So tune in, see if this fixes our misfire.